I have always struggled with dual laptop setups like this one, especially when you're multitasking between two different programs on two different laptops. And to be honest, it can get very confusing. It would be much easier if we could share one mouse, one keyboard, one monitor, one webcam, or even one external hard drive between both laptops. So there must be a solution to this dual laptop problem. Well, the best solution to this problem is a KVM switch, which stands for keyboard, video, and mouse. Or is it monitor? No, it's mouse. And a company called AV Access was kind enough to send us the iDock C20 for review. And we'll see if this makes our dual laptop setup any easier. This is the iDock C20, which is small, lightweight, and portable. Let's talk about the main features of this KVM switch. The iDock C20 is a 12-in-1 docking station, which means it has 12 ports. This KVM switch will allow you to connect two laptops, a mouse, a keyboard, a webcam, and external hard drive, all from a single docking station. There's even an SD card reader that allows you to share files between laptops. And that's pretty convenient. And to be honest, I use SD cards all the time, so this is a great selling point. So let's talk about the setup. I found the setup pretty straightforward. And all I needed was two USB Type-C cables to plug in both laptops. And yes, these cables are included with the iDock C20. And just a heads up, this KVM switch does support Windows and Mac OS. So basically plug in the power to the switch, plug in your monitor or monitors, and the max video resolution for this switch is 4K at 60 Hz. And then connect the mouse and keyboard and other peripherals. And guys and gals, if you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and share it. And make sure to subscribe to our channel because it's completely free. Thanks. And bam, you're done. The iDock C20 has a built-in MST function that even allows both laptops to output to two different monitors. Pretty cool. And yes, the USB Type-Cs also charge your laptops at the same time. So no more laptop battery issues. Now, if your Wi-Fi is slow, unreliable, or you just take Wi-Fi, you do have a wired connection available. And this connection will share the internet with both laptops. And this will boost your internet speeds because wired is always faster than wireless. And it's much safer too. There is a total of 6 USB ports on the iDock C20, 2 of which are USB 3.0. Also includes a Type-C for charging and data transfers as well. However, it's not a fast charger, but it's a charger nonetheless. And there is a headphone jack if you prefer to use headphones. The last button is my favorite. It's the switch. Press it once to switch between laptops. And that also means your mouse, keyboard, and other devices will switch to the laptop as well. Very convenient and very functional. So after a few weeks of using the iDock C20, I found that makes my multitasking so much easier. And it also looks clean and minimal, just the way I like it. So did this device make my life any easier? Well, yes and no. Yes, it did make my life easier using multiple laptops. But outside of that, not really, because my life is way too busy. So is the iDock C20 a solid KVM switch? Absolutely. There is nothing you could really change on this switch, except maybe a fast charging port or a wireless charger on top. But that's just me being picky. If you need a KVM switch that just works and looks good doing it, then the iDock C20 is a great choice. The iDock C20 is priced at $259, and the link is listed below. And AV Access has other KVM options as well, and those links are listed below. And just in case you forgot, I'm Michael Scott, and this is the Ultimate Tech Hub.